great when you're on my side.
Wait, we've been waiting for you.
You guys smell something? 大嘅，一隻食屎嘅老鼠。You know what happens to rats, Wade?
Yeah, I heard. Conroy gave me all the details when he was helping me out on that minute.
你收聲啊
Who the fuck do you think you are, huh? You come in out of nowhere and suddenly our guys start to get arrested? He ratted out pop star Winston. I know he did.
What are you gonna do to him? This motherfucker right here is a snitch!
Is that right, Ming?
Fucking rat. I sent you to pop star, but now he's in jail!
Yeah? And who stands to gain the most from that? You're gonna take over Popstar's whole ketamine racket now. No more scraps for you. You supply the whole city with drugs. You and Dog Eyes. Popstar's gone, but you're still dealing, aren't you? So who's supplying you?
Are you guys actually listening to this asshole? He's a rat! He's a fucking rat!
你個冇狗用嘅垃圾 ！You're still working for that bastard, aren't you? 係咪啊？
Wait, Winston, I swear! Dirty fucking
Clean it up! Loyalty's important to me. Never forget that. You get in this business for yourself, you're bound to end up like little Lanta.
You know what happens to rats? Wait, he ratted out pop star Winston. I know he did! What are you gonna do to what?
For a relaxing getaway, visit the island of Panau, an exotic location where beauty and luxury are.
欢迎光临. Can I help you with something?
Yeah. Are you Ping?
No, there's no Ping.
How about the owner then?
I'm the owner, just not Ping.
All right, not Ping. I'm picking up hardware for Orange Lotus. You know it?
Orange Lotus? Sure. This is some pretty sophisticated stuff. Sure you can handle it?
I'll manage.
My number's on the package. You need a hand getting slot X into socket Y? Give me a call.
Did you get the bug?
I got it. got it.
Our surveillance team reports that you should be able to get onto the roof from the construction site next door. Whatever you do, don't let them see you planting that bug.
No shit.
How'd the bus thing go?
Good.
We can fight, huh?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
Hey, don't try that shit. You got something to say, talk.
It's too easy. This guy comes out of nowhere, just with dog eyes. Oh. Ugh.
Hey, I'm getting some noodles from the kitchen. You want some?
Sure. Why not?
What kind?
They're fucking noodles, Vincent. Whatever's back there.
I kind of feel like pork.
So get pork.
You want pork too?
I'll talk.